Hi, it's TJ and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be diving deep into the curious world of red light therapy. I'll be looking at what red light therapy is, the benefits it's been shown to have on the skin, what to look for in a red light therapy mask, and my own personal experience testing out the CurrentBody neck and deck red light therapy mask for the last 28 days. Before we get started with this video, if you could take just 2 seconds to check whether you're subscribed to my channel, and if you're not, be sure to click on subscribe. Subscribing is the absolute best way that you can support the work that I do here. So hit subscribe and join me on the journey to unlocking the best skin possible. Okay, back to the video. So let's kick things off by looking at what red light therapy actually is. If you've heard of terms like phototherapy, low-level light therapy, or photobiomodulation, you'll know that these all refer to the treatment we often refer to as LED light therapy. Essentially, it involves using low-level, non-thermal, non-invasive LED light to work its magic on our skin cells. And unlike many skincare trends of today that lack scientific research and studies, there's a wealth of legitimate information demonstrating the benefits of LED light therapy for the skin stretching back decades. If you're like me and you enjoy reading more into scientific literature and case studies surrounding anti-aging skincare, I've added the links to everything that I've used to compile this video as part of my research in the description box. Okay, so let's take a look at the positive results and benefits of red light LED. The results of photobiomodulation are impressive. We're talking wound healing, tissue repair, boosted collagen synthesis, hair regrowth, acne reduction, decreased inflammation, improved mood, and the list goes on and on. Red light therapy wavelengths are ideal for fading fine lines, wrinkles, and inflammation. It's also extremely effective for tackling acne, rosacea, and sun damage. I seem to be checking all of these boxes off in my mind as I'm going through them. Okay, so let's list the key benefits out, just to make it easy to digest. So red light therapy has been shown to stimulate collagen production, reduce wrinkles and fine lines. It promotes wound healing and reduces inflammation. Red light therapy increases circulation, improving nutrient and oxygen delivery. It's been shown to reduce pain and inflammation. It enhances cellular energy production and improves cellular function. It improves skin tone and texture, reducing the appearance of scars and stretch marks. There's some evidence that it may help with hair regrowth by stimulating the hair follicles. It's been shown to improve mood and mental well-being, stimulating the release of endorphins. It's non-invasive and considered safe with minimal side effects, and there's no need to create micro wounds to enjoy the benefits of a fantastic treatment. One of the most exciting aspects is that LED light therapy provides these benefits without the downtime and side effects often associated with other skin rejuvenation procedures, which to me sounds like a win-win. But with that said, it never hurts to do a little bit more reading and check out reviews, guides, and video content from people who use it regularly, just to help you make a more informed decision on what may be best for you. So as I mentioned, I have the CurrentBody neck and deck set, or neck and décolletage, and that consists of the LED face mask and then the neck and décolletage mask. These are 2 separate LED panels. Each one comes with its own power box, letting you create a more tailored or unique treatment to your own needs. Some days you might want to only treat your décolletage, some days you might only want to do your face, some days you want to do them both, which is every day for me. But let's delve into what you need to consider when shopping for a red light therapy mask. When it comes to finding a red light LED mask that actually works, there are 3 key factors that you need to consider. These are intensity, fluence rate, and wavelength. Now obviously I have this LED mask right here from CurrentBody which fits the following parameters perfectly, but we're going to take a closer look at the specs of this in a minute. But first, let's look at each of the key factors. So first up we have intensity. Intensity refers to the power or strength of the red light being emitted from the therapy device. It's typically measured in units such as milliwatts per square centimetre, or MW over centimetre square. Next up we have the fluence rate. Now the fluence rate is the amount of energy delivered per unit area over a specific time period. It's basically a measure of the light energy density and determines the amount of energy the skin and underlying tissue receives during each treatment. And then the third one that we have is wavelength. Now wavelength refers to the specific colour or range of colours of light used in red light therapy. Now, red light therapy typically uses wavelengths in the range of 620 to 700 nanometers, with 650 nanometers being a commonly used wavelength. So now we've covered all of those, let's take a quick look at the specifications of the CurrentBody mask. But before I do that, I might as well throw the décolletage part on as well. Just going to put this underneath my top. I mean, I might as well use both of them and get a treatment in while I'm doing this video. I'm fine with multitasking, it's cool. So the CurrentBody mask is FDA cleared and clinically proven to reduce wrinkles in just 4 weeks, and it combines red light and infrared light with wavelengths of 633 nanometers and 830 nanometers respectively. Now, the 132 LED bulbs in the face mask deliver 30 milliwatts per square centimetre, and the recommended treatment time is 10 minutes. Now, by applying the right equation, this translates to a dose of 18 joules per square centimetre, exactly what's considered the gold standard for photobiomodulation. As an added benefit, the inbuilt pillow technology within these masks diffuses the LED light to ensure maximum skin coverage for an even and effective treatment. Now, according to CurrentBody, you can expect visible results in just 4 weeks by using the mask 3 to 5 times a week. Although, and this will come as no surprise to any of you who've been following me for a while, I may have used it every single day for the last 28 days. But as someone who suffers from rosacea and has sensitive skin, I've had zero negative issues from the intense use of this mask. But just because I've had zero issues doesn't mean that you'll have zero issues. So it's probably best to stick to the recommended usage for the best results. To maximise results, I apply a layer of pressed green rooibos serum from Midsummer to my skin 20 minutes before using the mask. Some research into boosting the benefits and results of photobiomodulation has found green tea to be the perfect partner. So this is exactly what I use. Now, with that said, you don't have to buy a product. You could simply soak a green tea bag in some hot water and leave it to cool before applying the liquid to your skin with a cotton pad. But I absolutely love the rooibos serum from Midsummer, so that's what I stick with. Now, as a side note, you should avoid using any moisturisers, creams or makeup when doing a treatment, as many of these will block LED light, making it a complete waste of time to use it. And with something that works so well, why wouldn't you want to get the most out of every use? Okay, so let's take a look at the results. So I started with fairly decent skin to begin with, but my rosacea and my facial flushing have been annoying me for quite some time. Now, the most noticeable change is the evenness of my skin tone. Like, my complexion is finally heading where I want it to. Now, as someone in their early 40s, I'm always going to welcome a brighter, less haggard looking complexion. I mean, who doesn't want to look the best that they can? Just because you get older, it doesn't mean that you need to let yourself go. But yeah, most of the redness that I had before I started has pretty much completely cleared up now, and my skin is now looking so much calmer. I mean, I feel like my skin is looking juicier and plumper and glowier and just healthier overall. Now, I swear that my pores look smaller when I'm looking at them in the mirror. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I'm getting older, my eyesight is failing me, but I'm pretty sure that from before I started up until now, my pores definitely seem, let's say, more refined. And my skin is just that little bit bouncier. Now, the fine lines beneath my eyes have pretty much all but gone now, which to me makes this mask worth every penny. And although I'm not claiming that I've had a miraculous transformation, the results that I have experienced in the past 28 days have turned me into a red light therapy convert. The mask is super flexible, it's so comfortable to wear, and it takes just 10 minutes a day to use. So going forwards, I mean, it checks all of the right boxes for frequency, for output, for comfort. And if I'm honest, it's something that I actually look forward to using at the end of a long day of work. But I'm going to do another update in a couple of months looking at any other changes that I've experienced. But for now, I think that's about it for this video. If you found this video helpful or interesting, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And if you do subscribe, hit that notification bell and share this video with a friend, which really helps to support my channel and it doesn't cost you anything, so yay for that. But thank you so much for joining me for this video today, and I hope you found this information valuable. If you've tried red light therapy or are considering using it, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments down below. Or really anything else that you want to say, because I love hearing from you guys. But have an amazing day ahead of you and enjoy the rest of your week. And until next time, TJ over and out.